Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Microsoft Office Learning. In this video, we will learn about how to use average function with the help of formula and how to use average function with the help of shortcut key. So stay tuned and watch till the end. I made a very simple example where I have the product quantity for the month of January, February, March, and April. So what I would like to see, I would like to see the average product quantity for each month. So I will use the average formula. It start with is equal to AVERAGE, then start of bracket, then click on first cell, then colon sign, then click on last cell, and then close of bracket, and then press enter. Now you can see the average quantity is 160. So it calculates the average for this month of January. So if I want to copy the formula for rest of the columns, I will just drag from the bottom and it will calculate the average value for the rest of the columns as well. So this was the to calculate the average with the help of formula. Second one is if I want to use the shortcut key to calculate the average of values. So what I will do, I will select this column and then press Alt H U A. If I press Alt H U A, so it will calculate the average value for me. That's the 160, exactly the value which I calculated through formula. So if I want to calculate the average value for all the columns, so what I will do, I will select all these columns and then press Alt H U A. If I press Alt H U A, it will calculate the average value at the bottom of each column. So this is how you can quickly calculate the average of values within your data with the help of formula and using the shortcut key. So hit the like button if you like this video and make sure to subscribe my channel.